Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix your flat tire. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix flat tire that is caused by puncture. Sometimes you go around the road and guess what? You hit a sharp metal or nails, okay? In this case, I think I hit a sharp metal. Last week, I taught you how to reset the tire pressure sensor that is caused by low tire pressure, and guess what happened? I noticed that the driver's side tire of my Toyota Corolla keeps being flat. So I was kind of suspicious. What's going on? How come this particular tire keep losing air? So that's not normal. So what I did, I went around and checked the tire, and sure enough, I saw a nail, or I don't know yet. It's maybe a sharp object getting stuck on the tire. So today I'm going to teach you how to fix it, and it's very easy. You don't have to take it to a shop. And what you need is a breaker bar, jack, and then some pliers and a tire plug kit. This thing a lifesaver. You have to have this in your car, at least one kit per car. Okay, I have 4 cars. I have like one kit in every car. So let's say you go somewhere and your tire got hit a nail or a sharp object, and as long as it's not on the side of the tire and it's on this side, you'll be able to fix it using this kit. So yeah, when I come back, I will show you how to do it. I'll be back. Hi everyone. Before we jack the car, you want to use the breaker bar and loosen the bolt, and you want to go counterclockwise like that. It's easier to use a breaker bar. So once you do that, in this case, I'm on an incline, so I want to use what do you call that? Wheel choke. So I want to make sure the car won't roll down the hill, okay? While I was working on the car. There you go. So now that I choke the wheel, I'm gonna go ahead and use the jack to jack the car up. So the Corolla jacking point is right here. You just jack the car up. For this video, I usually use a jack stand, but on this video, since I'm just gonna grab the tire really quick, I don't need a jack stand right now. I just wanna get the tire out really quick, since I won't be working underneath the car. If I'm gonna be going underneath the car, I'll be using a jack stand for real, since I don't want to get crushed. But right now the car is being held by the wheel choke and my jack. And this is a heavy duty jack, you know. It's really good. You don't want to use a cheap jack on this one, so what you need to do, just remove all the bolts. There you go. Get all the bolts out, and I'll be back. Hi everyone, I'm at the last bolt. Sometime this bolt, lug nut gets stuck in this socket. So what you want to do is just get a W40, just coat it a little bit, and then you just get, plug it in here, get the lug nut out. so it'll be easy. You won't be struggling to get this out. Okay, so once all the lug nuts are out, you just wanna, there you go. Look at that. Since this thing hasn't been what do you call that, changed in a while, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean this, and then I'm gonna put some anti-seize when I come back. I'll be back. Hi everyone, this is a good time to clean the rust like that. Get 3M sandpaper. I'll put everything in the description. Get all this crazy rust. Don't have to do much. And get the anti-seize. And this next time, the wheel won't stick again to this wheel hub. So there you go. Just have to put the anti-seize. Yeah, so next time it won't stick again. If you don't put the anti-seize, guess what happened? Next time you change it, it will start sticking again. So yeah, you just leave it the way it is and clean it up a bit. There you go. Plus it looks nice and clean now. Sure. Looks like the rotors can have to be changed pretty soon, but anyway, yeah, once you do that, now we have to find the culprit right there. Do you see that? That's the culprit right there. So something is stuck there. So what you want to do is you want to take this out. Oh, before you do this, I almost forgot. I'll be back. The thing is, sometimes since there's still tire pressure, the nail or the sharp object can go like tung, and you don't want it to hit your face, okay, or your eye. So you just get either a screwdriver. Wow, this is a big one. Oh my goodness, look at this. I just pried the nail. It's a nail. I just pried out like that, so I can grab it with my plier, and it's gonna go like, there you go. You want to get, okay, there are different tools in this kit, okay. One is this thing to plug the plug right here. I forgot the name. Oh, you want to get the roughening tool, they call it, to clean inside the hole. Yeah, basically it makes the surface rougher. So yeah, so you want to go ahead, it's okay, you can just hold it and you go around like that. Hi everyone, once you're able to, you know, roughen it up and get a clear, see, you just have to do this. The air is gonna come out a lot, but it's okay. So what you want to do next is really easy. You just grab one of the plug, like this one here. You just need one. There are like, how many is that? There are 5 of them. So this is a really cheap tool. You want to flatten it a bit, or make sure you wear gloves. And you want to get this thing through the hole there. Like that. Put it in the middle, like that. Do you see that? See? Just do it like that, like it says. And what you want to do, you want to get the cement. The cement will act like a glue. You want to poke it with the tip of the cap there. There you go. You want to put the cement on this, on both sides. There you go. This is super easy. There you go. Make sure coat it. Okay, the cement will plug the hole. So what you want to do, I can't speak today, but anyway, just plug it in like this, and then you go ahead and push it all the way in like that. See that? All the way in, and then from here you pull it up. There you go. Now the rest of the is plugged. You want to get cutter and cut the excess up here. Okay, don't cut the tire, just cut this excess. Be careful, the cutter is really sharp. That's why you want to wear safety gloves, safety goggles. Look at that. So basically now the wheel is plugged. Don't worry about the excess here. What happened is once you drive the car, this thing is gonna, actually you can trim it a little bit more if you want. There you go, to make it look nice so it doesn't look like something is sticking out. There you go, voila. So now once you make sure when you use cutter like this, you want to put it back because it's really sharp. You can cut your fingers really easily. So yeah, so now once you're done plugging it, you want to go ahead and put some air. There you go. I like my Vitoman air compressor. There you go. Oops, this thing is sticking on my gloves. And then we're gonna go ahead and there you go. Now we can go ahead and inflate the tire. I'll be back. Okay, the mechanic changed to my daughter. Once we inflate the tire and we know there is no more leak, we're gonna mount the tire back and put all the lug nuts back and tighten it. Okay, I'll be back. Hi everyone, once everything is tightened, you want to get a torque wrench and put it, set it at 90 foot-pound of torque. Okay, and then you're gonna torque it. Otherwise, if you don't do this, when you drive the car, your wheel will go after you, and then you'll be like, hey, that wheel and tire looks familiar, because sometimes people forgot to torque their wheel and then it will fall off when you drive the car on the freeway until it clicks. Okay, you hear that click? I've seen it happen. There you go. Somebody drive on the freeway and then the wheel came off, and it was so hilarious, you know, to watch. There you go, click. There you go. Now once it's clicked, you just have to lower the car. Voila! You're done, and don't forget your wheel choke. So there you go. Get the wheel choke out. This is why you need to have wheel chokes when you work on your car. As you can see, the car actually moved back, so you don't want the car to roll while you're working on the car. So yeah, that's all there is to it. It's really easy. If I don't have to make this video, probably it's gonna take me like 10 to 15 minutes to fix the flat tire and to plug it. As long as the hole is not on the side wall, you're able to fix this. Okay, if the hole and the damage is on your sidewall and like rip, then you can't do it. You have to go to a tire shop and buy a brand new tire. So yeah, I was lucky that the nail hit the tire right here, so I was able to plug it. Anyway, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share this video if your friend have a flat tire issue and they want to know how to plug it. Okay, anyway, love you guys, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.